Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing this HP OmniStudio X all-in-one computer that a client sent to us for a screen replacement. So, let's get into the video. We're going to start with removing the base so we can lay the computer down. To do that, we're going to flip the computer over and press down on this little button. That will allow you to remove the base. To begin removing the screen, we first need to remove the bottom bezel. You can do this by gently releasing the retention clips with your fingers. Next, starting at the bottom corners, take a thin pry tool and carefully insert it between the screen and the frame. Then, go all around carefully prying the screen up. Now we disconnect the cables running from the screen to the motherboard so we can set the rest of the computer aside and work on the screen assembly. To remove the white cable, flip up the little black tab and gently remove the cable. To avoid damaging the other cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges, and not to pull straight out as that can break one of the small internal wires. Now, we're going to disconnect the other ends of the cables from the damaged screen. The white cable is connected to a board on the frame, so we only need to remove the black cables. Next, remove the screws along the bottom of the bezel and go around the frame, peeling away the strips of double-sided tape holding the frame in place. If some of the strips snap, just carefully go in with a pry tool and remove them. Now we're going to apply some fresh double-sided tape to the bezel so we can attach the frame to the new screen. After that, we replace the screws and begin reconnecting all the cables to both the screen and the motherboard. Then, all that's left to do is to gently press the screen back into place and replace the bezel so we can give the computer a final test. So, this is how you repair a cracked screen on an HP OmniStudio X all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguaranteed.com or our email info@lcdguaranteed.com, and we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.